If your content isn't generating leads in 2026, you aren't just losing views, you're losing revenue. Most creators are playing by rules that died 2 years ago. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact strategy we use at Penate Productions to turn followers into paying clients. The biggest mistake I see, you're obsessed with your product. Nobody cares about your product, they care about their problems. If you're a real estate agent, don't just post a listing, post the why. Compare renting to buying with actual data. Give them a reason to choose you as their advisor, not just a salesperson. We use the 70-20-10 rule. 70% of your content should be pure value, answering the questions your clients are actually asking. 20% is trust building, showing behind the scenes, your team, or your process. Only 10% is the actual ask or sales pitch. If you don't build the 90%, the 10% will never convert. Content is a visual language. If your audio is bad or your lighting is flat, the viewer will click away in 3 seconds. You don't need a cinema studio, but you do need intention. Good lighting and clean audio are the baseline for professionalism. If it looks amateur, people will assume your service is amateur too. Growth isn't an accident, it's a system. If you're ready to stop guessing and start scaling, I want to talk to you. We specialize in social media management and SEO strategy. Go to penateproductions.com or DM me the word strategy right now. Let's get to work.